Hey, Alia and Kai. Merry Christmas. This is early with this Christmas Eve, and Snoopy and Woodstock are here. Yay! We're adding one more Christmas plush to the family, and that is our Christmas elf. So they are here with us, and I gotta take their tag off. So our Christmas elf joins our plush, and I wanted to have you guys join in the tree trimming. I can get it out. What happened to my flip? I don't have a flip. Okay, everybody smile for the camera. I'm gonna try and take a photo here. Wait. Oh, Snoopy's here. There we go. Yeah, I'm doing it, biting it off. Get rid of that. There we go. And photo. Say cheese. Woodstock, are you with us? Yep. All right, I think I got it. Okay, here we go. I don't know why it didn't let me flip, but here's the tree. Here's the tree. And, okay, here's the star. So this year, make sure to get you in camera. There we go. This year we have our angel is back. There she is. And the tree has, now these are this year's bulbs. I made these, and one of my girlfriends came over to drop off something I left in her car, right? And I was doing the ribbons, and so she helped me put the ribbons inside the bulbs. There they are. So those are the 2021. Here we go. Whew, I'm here. Edition, as well as these little bows here on each, not on each branch, but they're there. Traditional candy canes. We got candy canes. And then the gifts. I put the gifts underneath. So we got the gifts, and let's see. I didn't tag this one. This one is Alia's. Alia's. Gabrielle. Ryan. Those are two beautiful friends of mine that have been helping me out. I have fun trying these different wrapping styles. Okay, that's a lot of Alia. Where's Kai's gifts? Kai, I know you're here. There's one for Kai. Oh, one for me. Yay! And there's one for Kai. So you guys have gifts here as well as what I've sent you. And who's got the big dove? Alia has the larger dove. And then we did this one. That's Alia's. This was my favorite. I saw this wrapping style, the bow on top, the fan on top, on Instagram. And I tried it. Yay! And then Mama's signature. Y'all know I love these melts. Thank you so much for your gifts of the melts. Okay. So, here are the rest of the ornaments. And I just wanted to spend a few minutes adorning the tree with you guys with our traditional ornaments. Now, of course, the Starbucks ornaments are really heavy, so I'm gonna bring a couple of branches together, right? A couple of the tips together. So, oh, that wasn't even far enough. Let's make sure it goes back so it's strong. I can't see the camera, so I hope I'm getting this. There we go. There we go. So the ornament hangs and it's strong, so I'll do that. Woo. And I'm already getting tired. But we're gonna hang Aliyah's kindergarten photo. Let's see. I'm gonna put the keepsake ornaments for you guys. A little bit higher because I want it to hang. Let's see. There we go. The camera seems so weird to me. There we go, a little bit wider. And then one of them that Kai made, let's see, repurposed CD with a jingle bell. I love it. So Kai, your handmade ornament. Let's put it, I'm gonna put it by the candy cane. So when we look at it, I'll hang it up here so that when it drops, yeah, it'll be by the candy cane. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So that's it. What? No, that's not it. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? The Christmas teddy bear. This Christmas teddy bear has been with us, gosh, probably since, well, 20 years. Like when you were 5, Kai. So I think he actually, because he's a TY collectible bear, I believe he has a year. Look, I'll look quick because I don't want to bore you guys with the video. 1998. So he's a 1998 bear. So that meant we got him when you were 2. Yay! Oh my gosh. Wow. This is okay. Yeah, I knew it was coming. Yeah, I knew the emotions were going to come because it's not so much that it's a celebration of a religious belief, which is my foundation. Y'all know that. Mama's spiritual growth has come through our family traditions, and it's hard, I know, for all of us, but we're coming closer and closer, and we're getting closer, which is why I wanted to make this video, right? So let me go ahead, make sure you guys see it. So like the ornaments and stuff that we've talked about in the past, the plastic is in the way. Where's that other one? Oh, you made this one too. Music. I've still gotten music and stuff for y'all's interests. Just the snowflakes and all the good stuff. I can't. I'm just pointing the camera, you guys. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna continue putting on the ornaments. Oh, well, actually, not right now. I'm getting like super tired. But let me put. I'm gonna put Kai's bear. You go right there with the gifts. So there's the tree. Oh, the star. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. So I got a star. It just caught my eye at the store. So I will add the star and then rotate with the star. And we got to rotate. We got to bring Santa in here. So like I said last year, we got black Santa, right? We got a brown Santa that one of you made. And I really, Santa has been with us for a long time. So I'm calling this the Kai Aliyah Santa because I want him to spend some time on the tree. So let's make him the last ornament I put on the tree on video, right? So let me see. Okay, see, I can do this. I gotta make it like a selfie. Selfie video. And I think I want Santa to go right there. Put Santa on the side. Let's see how this. Make sure he's on there because I don't want him to fall off. Let's see, how's that look? Santa, you like being right there? Let me know if y'all like Santa right there. If not, I can put him somewhere else. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, my lovelies. I love you guys so much. My Pukapoo and my pumpkin, my babies, my hearts. My heart walking around outside my body. Down in Florida. I love you guys. I look forward to talking with you later or tomorrow. We're doing tomorrow. Whichever way, you know. And we're going to open some of these gifts. So I hope you've enjoyed opening your first gifts. It's also tradition. Got to open at least one gift Christmas Eve. And then the rest on Christmas and more. Next week is Kwanzaa. I don't have any candles this year. I'll be doing Zoom Kwanzaa with my friends. But this is one of our holiday figurines. Kai, I don't know if you remember him. Our delivery man for Christmas and the Kwanzaa menorah. Yeah, just wanted to share how things are going here for Christmas. And I know, Aliyah, I can feel you saying it. Mama, go lay down. You look tired. So I'm leaning here with our plush babies. I'm gonna go ice some more, and I need some heat. And just keep loving on myself as I send love to y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Merry Christmas, my babies. Mwah. Love you.